Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add Gmail account to iPad. Let's get started. First, open settings on your iPad, then scroll down and tap Mail. After that, tap Accounts, then tap Add Account. Then select Google, then enter your Gmail email address, tap Next. Then enter your password. And after that, tap Allow to give permissions. Then choose what you want to sync: mail, contacts, calendar, notes. Then tap Save. Your Gmail will now appear in the Mail app. If you prefer using the official Gmail app, open the App Store. Then search for Gmail. And after that, download and install it. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Make sure your internet connection is working. Check that Mail is toggled on in your Google account settings. Then restart your iPad if needed. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.